A campus is more than just buildings and classrooms. It is a space where ideas are developed, skills are built, and futures take part.
At IBS Gurgaon, learning goes beyond textbooks. It's about experiences, collaboration, and an environment that supports you every day.
Hello and welcome to IBS Gurgaon.
We are glad you are here. Join us on the virtual tour of our campus.
So let's get started.
These are our classrooms, modern, spacious, and fully equipped for an interactive learning experience. Classes are highly engaging. You will see case studies, presentations, group discussions, and real time problem solving happening regularly.
Another important academic space in our campus is our library.
It offers a wide collection of textbook, academic resources, research papers to support our coursework and our projects.
Whether it's exam preparation, on working or assignments, students spend hours without getting distracted.
We also have a dedicated seminar hall for the interactive sessions.
Guest lectures, workshop, corporate talks, and knowledge sessions are conducted here, giving us direct exposure to industry professionals.
We also have a dedicated digital studio on campus.
It is used for podcast shoots with industry experts, interviews, and other digital media activities conducted as part of various academic and institutional initiatives.
This is our auditorium, one of the most lively space of our campus.
It hosts orientation, conferences, competition, and cultural events throughout the year.
From formal academic gatherings to celebrations and fest, this space truly brings everyone together.
We also have dedicated reading room designed for quiet and focused studies.
It offers calm and silent environment, ideal for reading, revision, brainstorming, and uninterrupted revision.
Beyond academics, we also have spaces for creativity, like our music room.
It adds a refreshing balance to our busy schedules.
For recreation, there's an indoor sports room as well.
With games like table tennis and other indoor activities, it's a great place to de-stress and recharge between classes.
We also have well-equipped gym at campus.
It encourages regular physical activities, helping students stay active, focused, and mentally stable throughout their academic schedule. And of course, one of the most favorite spots, the canteen.
It's not just about food, it's where we catch up with friends, discuss projects, and take breaks between lectures.
We even have a stationery within the campus building.
So whether it's notebooks, printouts, or last-minute supplies, we have everything.
It's small but extremely convenient for the students.
There are also vending machines available for the quick refreshment anytime during the day.
And let's ensure easy and comfortable movement across floors.
The IT lab provides students with access to essential computing facilities required for academic work and practical learning, equipped with updated systems and necessary software. It supports courseware, presentations, and data analysis. The space enables students to strengthen their technical skills alongside their management education. The language lab is designed to help students enhance their communication and language skills. Through guided practice sessions and structured learning tools, it supports improvement in pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. The lab plays an important role in preparing students for presentation, interviews, and professional interactions.
The sports ground provides students with an open space for physical activity and recreation. Used for various outdoor games and practice sessions, it encourages teamwork, coordination, and regular participation in sports. Whether during organized events or student led games, the ground supports an active and balanced campus routine. The medical room ensures that basic healthcare support is available within the campus premises. Equipped to handle minor health concerns and immediate assistance, it provides students with timely care when required. The facility adds an important layer of safety and reassurance to everyday campus life, ensuring that students' well being remains a priority.
So that was glimpse of our IBS Gurgaon.
It's a place where you don't just study, but grow, connect, and prepare for future.
We hope that this campus tour helped you to experience what life really here is.
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to welcome you to IBS Gurgaon soon.